Hello everyone, this is Sue and welcome to my channel. So today I want to share with you my haul from Elle's Studio, and it is the kit, the Christmas kit, as well as the add-ons. So we're going to look at this together, and I'm excited to see everything in person. So there's the thank you card. Let's see what we have here. So I'm looking for, okay, so this right here is the actual kit. And then the rest of this, it's all the add-ons. So let's start with the actual kit. Oh, I like that it starts with Thanksgiving. I don't know that I realized that. But as most of you probably know, I start my December daily with Thanksgiving. So how perfect is that? So in the kit, which by the way, if you're a subscriber to the kit, this costs $10 a month. Otherwise, it's $13. So yeah, so their kits are very, very worth it. Of course, it's all geared around, Project Life, but I mean, I use these cards in many, different things. So this is just one of the sheets. Now these are punch out. They are not stickers. So these are not stickers, but you know what? I use these all the time because this is, I think, my third or fourth kit from Elle's Studio. So I've been using their kits and I've really, really, really been enjoying them. So what comes with it is, let me get this straight here. So here's another little punch out pieces to use. Baking season is here, favorite time of the year. Great stuff, right? Easy. Then there are 3 4x6 Project Life cards. They are one-sided. Love it. And tradition, right? Favorite tradition. I always like to have a traditions page in my December daily. And this is a great way to document 6 different things in one little pocket. So you might want to maybe list the Christmas movies that you've watched, or who you bought presents for, or what you bought, or the different things that you're going to serve for Christmas dinner. I mean, on and on, right? I mean, this is very, very user friendly. Then these are the cards. I forget how many there are. 20, I would say. So again, these are one-sided. And let me kind of do this. That says work, play. Again, another great way to document. Also, another card makes it easy to document. I'm liking that there's there's all different colors in here. It's not specifically red or green. I mean, this is great. So if there was a day where there was snow in December, I would probably use that card right there. And what else I do is, I look at the picture that I'm documenting, and I look at the colors in that picture, and that also helps me to decide what cards to use. This says the story of this day. I have some green, joy, 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 my favorite word. So this is, Thanksgiving details. I'm going to be using that. Where I made, whether it was homemade or store-bought, turkey carved by, favorite side dish, dessert. I love it. I love it. I love it. So, and the orange, of course, will go really good with the theme of Thanksgiving. Currently reading. I'm a reader, so yep. That's pretty with the little stars. Sights and sounds of the season. Isn't that great? It kind of makes you think about that. That's something I wouldn't even think about. But that's a great, sights and sounds of the season. I love it. Another blue, some holly, and holiday to-do list. So let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There's 18. So 18, 3 by 4, and 3, 4 by 6. All right, so now let's get into the add-ons. Now the majority of these add-ons were $4.99 each, so $5. So this is the Christmas cardstock die cuts. And I'm not going to show you every single one, but you can see, I'll just kind of place them out here. So like super cute things, right? Very basic things that are easy to use. And me, I use hearts on pretty much everything. I like that they have multicolor skinned Santas. A little bit of stars, green and red, candy canes, little tab, jingle bells, jingle all the way, a little scroll to write on, scissors, little tab, merry and bright, yep, little tabs, yep, and to write on, cups of hot cocoa, a tracker, how many cups, December 2024, awesomeness, awesome, love it. Okay, then this, I'm trying to think if there were any of these things that weren't $4.99. I'm not really sure. I think, like I said, most of them were. So this is the December word strips. I like that these are die cuts, right? They're already cut out. These are not stickers, but there's such a huge assortment of them. And they're all filled with Christmas spirit. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, one of my favorite holiday traditions, wonder, joy, love, hope, peace. I mean, just very user friendly. And I so much enjoy using the little, quotes like this or word quotes that help me to express how I feel about a certain picture. Okay, this one I knew I had to get. I absolutely, positively had to get this because I love circles. So I'm all about the circles, and these are punch out. So when you punch it out, you now have 2 pieces to use. This says fun. This has December. So, and I love that, like I say, that you end up with a circle with the negative space. So that says Merry. This is a pink heart, a pink December, a red star. This says Fave, F-A-V, another star, joy in the red, wish, and love. Here's the E. So these I do love. I'm excited to use these. I like bringing in different shapes for my different spreads. I like having different shapes. So these are snow globe puffy stickers. Super cute puffy stickers. 3 snow globes. Love it. And they're not like overly puffy. They're not flat, but they're pretty flat. So if you don't like a lot of dimension, these are great. Then these are the numbers that I wanted to try to use this year. I mentioned in my video from, I don't know, a day or two ago, that what I want to do is I want to use up a lot of these tags from my stash and use them for the dates. So I liked these numbers. I liked the size of them. And there's actually two different sets. So you have the red, which are probably 1.5 inches high or so, and then the little green ones. So like this, I could easily put 2 of these numbers on this, and that can be my date number for that day in my December daily. So I have those. And then, you know, I already have labels. I have quite a few labels, but from their old ones from Freckled Fawn, which I love and adore them. But when I saw these, I just had to get them because I'm just like a sticker kind of gal. So there's one sheet of each, and they are very, very, very well made. These are not flimsy. They're a nice weight. And I just thought that how easy to use this for describing pictures, and it all matches, right? So I am super, super happy with all of this. I can highly recommend this kit plus all of the add-ons. And you don't have to get the kit. If you like any of these add-ons, you can just go and order whatever you want. And yeah, and I'm not affiliated with Elle's Studio at all. They don't even know who I am. So, but I just wanted to share this with you because, again, it's just one of those kits that is super easy to use. So let me know if you have any questions. I will put a link to Elle's Studio in my description box, and you can check out the prices because I'm not 100% sure I was accurate on those, but you can check them out, and I can highly recommend the quality of these pieces. Okay, thanks so much for being here, and I will be back Friday with a video with a special announcement. So I'll see you Friday. All right, God bless. Bye-bye.